There's an old saying that says, look at the bright side of life. It is a call for us to remain optimistic in the light of difficulties. Yes, the coronavirus has taken a world tour around the countries. It has brought down societies and weakened healthcare systems and put down many economies at the risk for collapse. But it is not wrong for us to remain optimistic and look at the silver linings of the situation. It may be hard to do so at some times because things are just not looking up, but we should always do our best to remain positive and look for the things that would make us happy, even if it's the smallest things. For example, savoring the smallest moments. Stop and think about these moments. It would give time for your brain to process the pleasure of doing these things, and it would help boost your serotonin, which is a feel-good neurotransmitter that would boost your mood and help feel you calm. Strengthen your connections. So sit down with your family, have long conversations with them. This would help promote your closeness, and it would boost your oxytocin, which is a hormone that brings people together and puts a calming effect on your body. So these silver linings, it could change your brain's chemistry and build up your energy stores that could help you cope up with the other aspects of your day that have been made more difficult. In these stressful times where we're stuck at home and doing nothing and our lives are put on hold, wondering what the next day might bring, there are people that are out there that are continuing their jobs and trying to bring some sort of normality in this chaos. So thank you to all the transit workers and all the post offices and all the local police officers and the first responders and the EMS workers. And importantly, thank you to our medical workers that are keeping us safe in this time. There are a few things that people have said that they're thankful for, such as, I'm thankful to be alive, healthy, and saving gas money. I am thankful to be spending time with my kids and that there's less pollution, less traffic, that I can sleep in. I'm thankful that I can make breakfast and work from home, and that people are being kind, and that I can connect with my family and friends. Stay safe, stay home, and stay positive!